Hey, good job, guys. Make it to the horse camp without taking a break. Yay! Go ahead. To a spot that's steady.
There's two of them. Our first snow.
Does this remind you of Whitney?
We didn't have lava rocks though.
No, but the terrain. Yeah, it's the same type of terrain. Okay, we're halfway up to Lake Helen. We're gonna go over the top to the campground, Lake Helen.
There's Z trying to walk on the rocks. I'm trying to walk on the snow. We made it to Helen Lake. This is where we're going to be camping tonight.
Oh my god, it's so hot in here. Oh, is it cool outside?
Yes, cool outside.
Come on. Oh shit, what happened? Oh. Okay. This is my tent.
Not like that.
Get going.
Okay, go.
Oh, you need to take a crampon off if you're just sitting.
You're not good sailing.
Good job. you hold this, and then you just have to do this and get yourself to stop falling down.
Have fun. Now, of course, the critical step in all of this.
I can practice my fall. Okay.
Good job.
See what you're doing.
Gathering snow for some.
I collected some snow so I could melt it for water.
Oh well, I can say use
Go. Okay. Oh.
No.
Sorry, it is.
What are you doing?
Water affects full-time production. We got 2 jet blow working now.
Start over. I'm eating satay chicken from Muva at Mt Shasta. This is what it looks like. It smells awesome. I'm losing my voice, by the way. Wow,
How was it?
so tasty. Yummy.
I'm in Helen Lake, Mt Shasta, eating satay chicken by Muwa. Satay chicken today. Maybe we'll have the same flavor. Hey Z, what are you doing? It's dark though. Can't see you. Hey Z, how you doing? Thirsty?
Sleepy
Huh?
and tired
Oh,
and cold.
oh. Okay. What can I do for you? Sketchy. Final push to Mount Shasta. We're almost there.
Unbelievable. We are here. We're here. We make it, guys. Now we can brag if we don't die going down. Let's do this.
No, I hope it's not go all the way down.
Oh shit. That rock just came. Alright, here I am. Top of Mount Shasta. Oh man, this is exhausting.
We are officially here. Here's the registration. Mount Shasta. Oh, they have a. You can stop it. 2026 Z. Do you want me to write your name or you write your own name? Frank
Oh, too late.
and Amina make it to the summit. Yay. Love, love, and love.
I'm at the very top of Mount Shasta.
Put your phone down. Put your damn phone down.
Wait, I'm recording. Go. Z. Alright, go.
Hold on, okay?
Yeah.
Done?
Done. Going back down. I try self-arresting.
So slow. Because maybe your pants. Shh. That is faster.
Alright, self-arrest. 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 No, not like failed. Good job.
I create my own route.
Nice.